do it standing in there.
It's okay. If the camera's not facing us, we can just do Meet the Dog podcast. I've done it before. I will do it again. I am not beyond making this an audio medium. Thanks, Spock. Appreciate that. Appreciate you just...
I just did. He's on now.
Okay. Awesome.
My bad. You on already?
Give it one more minute, and if it doesn't turn around, we'll start this as an audio-only medium. What? Yes. All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Meet the Dog, now a completely audio medium while the camera is facing away. I'm Chris. With me today is Aniela and Spock. Spock is from the Tribbles litter, born back last March, so he's about, like 16 months old now, I think? 16, 17 months. His parents are Trip and Bianca. He eats 3 times a day, 3 cups for breakfast, dinner, and a cup and a half for lunch. I think we're probably going to be weighing the dogs either this week or next week, so we will be having a accurate weight going on them going forward, but I think he's probably within the 120s, 130s by now. I do have a tray. Oh, there's the camera. We're no longer an audio-only medium. I have a little bit of a training evaluation here from one of our trainers, John. Spock is one of the best with pace and bracing. They are currently working on getting him more confident, but he never shuts down or refuses to do anything, just general confidence issues. Big skill working on is stairs. Excellent going downstairs one at a time and bracing, and good going up shorter flights, but he is still trying to get more comfortable with where to place his feet on longer flights up, and he tries leaning when he's not sure. He's usually good about halfway up, but then starts getting discombobulated near the top, but they are confident it will click with him soon, so that's good. We all here at the barn all know Spock as a little bit of a scaredy cat, because when he's at the farm, his confidence issues really show. He's a bit of a nervous Nelly. So it's real nice to hear that he's doing very well in his training. Spock is probably, I would say, the most recognizable out of all the Tribbles. He looks a lot like Neville. He's got that like white stripe going back and then the big dot right in the center of his forehead. It's his on button, yes. Thank you, Aniela. Thank you, Aniela. Yes, his on and off button. So I'm going to open it up to any questions about Mr. Spock. Any questions about Mr. Spock? You got any Spock stories? I'm trying to remember, because I know I have at least one. I can't remember. I know I have at least one, and I just can't think of it. Spock. You're doing very well. Alright, any questions? Mr. Spock. Hi. No.
You know his favorite toy to have?
What's his favorite toy?
His favorite toy to have is one of those big white Nyla balls. It's like this big. He loves those things.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Any funny stories about handsome Spock? This is from Indie Dunes. Any funny stories about handsome Spock? Let's see. He used to, back during the food strike, before he started eating again, anytime we tried to feed him outside, he would refuse to come outside. He would be outside, then we would get to his kennel, we would go to let him out, and he would go back inside, and then refuse to come out.
There was also an era where he'd just go backwards up ramps. Oh.
I forgot about that. I forgot about the backward ramp days. Yeah, he used to go backwards up ramps for some reason, which is the opposite, because John's saying he's doing well with going downstairs. So maybe that was just his solution. Yeah, no, that's probably his solution to going upstairs, was just going. It sounds like his strengths are his pacing and his bracing. So I imagine that's probably what he enjoys the most, is just walking, generally just walking around, not having to hit any obstacles. It sounds like he's doing very well with that, so I would imagine that's probably what he enjoys. Hey. Now that I'm looking at you, you look so much like your brother Kirk. He's got that same droopy face. Oh, we got interrupted by highlights. Just let me know what the last thing that was said was. And I can repeat any questions that got missed. It is a sauna in here today. I think we might be on highlights right now, so you know what? I'm gonna check. Let's see if we're still on highlights. It looks like we're still on highlights. Why is the highlights just me doing dog rotations?
Look at you go.
Why is that one of the highlights? I might just be back too far. Oh, no. Okay, I was just back too far. Leave me alone. Indy Dunes asks, has Spock gone on any overnight adventures? I know he's gone on at least one for when he got neutered. I think he has gone on a couple other than that. I'm trying to think of who he went with, though. I can't remember. Yeah. Did he go with Lexi at any point? Okay, Naomi. Okay. I think he has gone on an overnight with someone. I cannot remember for the life of me who.
No, it was with the other one. The curly gray hair. She has cats. Spock liked cats. He was absolutely enamored with cats.
No. Karen?
I think, maybe.
Oh, yes, it was Karen. He did go with Karen. Yeah, he has gone. Okay, so he has gone on an overnight with Karen. He went with Karen. Yes, I remember this now. Yes, he went with Karen, and got along. It sounded like he got along pretty well with her cats, so that's a good sign. That's always reassuring to know that they get along with cats. Gonna leave it open. Gonna leave it open for a few more questions. Okay. So as for what the highlights cut out, it picked up on the end of the training questions. So the two, so I think what got missed was the favorite friends question, which he gets along very well with his siblings, Deanna, Tasha, Naomi. He gets along very well with Waverly and Duchess. I think that was more than likely what was missed. So hopefully that fills in the blanks, what the highlights cut out. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes for any last-minute questions about Spock, because it is a sauna in here, and I don't think I can be in here much longer. Yeah. Doing very well, Spock, huh? Doing very well. Yeah. Got a little. Can I get? No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I will get that later. You got it. Got it. Yeah. There we go. Okay then. I'm gonna give it one last minute for any last-minute questions about Spock. Good job. You did it. You did the thing. What the hell is that? What? Anything I can think of in the meantime. Just some general last information. Questions I know usually get asked. Right now, he is currently rooming on Donkey Hillside. He's in kennel 12, I believe. What else does usually get asked? I think we did cover most of what usually gets asked. What else? You got the itch. You sure got the itch, Spock. Alright, I think that is all the time we have, so thank you all very much for tuning in. And we will be back. And we will be back next week with another dog. Everybody have a good night. Whew. I am